When my knee folded and the crack echoed under the lights, I thought my life was over. They told me the damage was terrible, the surgeries were long, and the road back might not exist. I watched my body betray me, relearned how to walk, then how to trust a jump, feeling scar and metal like heavy anchors. Teams cut me, and doubts crowd your head at night, friends and coaches saying maybe it's done. I kept working, small steps, endless drills, quiet grind. I am Shaun Livingston, and the broken moment became my fuel. I came back steady, trusted, and a winner who turned pain into purpose.